How to create assembly kit in Businet. Users can create assembly kit by clicking on Add button. Then users need to select assembly product and warehouse and enter the assembly quantity. Further, users need to input the components which will be consumed to prepare the assembly kit. They need to input the quantity and the batch details for the respective items. Once approved, stock of input components will be reduced and stock of assembled product will be increased in the selected warehouses. Then users can also generate PDF print of the respective document. Thank you. For more details or queries, please contact Businet team.